3, go!
525,600 minutes, 525,000 moments so deep, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylight, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in strife, in 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year in life? Much confusion arises from that question. How do you measure a year in the life? The answer might be discovered sooner or later, but then you get thinking once more, how about 4 years? That is how long it has been. 4 years. That's 2,102,400 minutes. 4 years spent in this institution, both the sanctuary and the nightmare, depending on how you perceive your high school life has been. It is hard enough to survive a year in Pasay, much even a day, and even a period, or a class. So how did we exactly make it here today? For without the help of our primary education, we would not have acquired the knowledge that was needed to pass the entrance examinations. And so, I would like to acknowledge all of our preschools, our grade schools, for teaching us all that we needed to learn to be able to answer this prestigious institution. For without the faculty and staff, we would not be even close to making it through 4 years of Bisaya education. You and I all know that our batch is not the easiest to handle. From one teacher to another, we have been known as pains in the neck. To our Bisaya family, I salute you for helping each of us to make it through, and at the same time, for surviving us, for being most considerate, and for stretching your patience for miles. Thank you for the daily 50-minute-long classes, for the enjoyable lessons and some boring lectures. In the end, what is most important is that we learn and that the life lessons are kept inside our back pockets. To our teachers, thank you for the 2,102,400 moments that we shared. For without the Mancom, we would not be here. This beautiful ceremony would just be of pure imagination without our dear Mancom. Thank you for going beyond limits to grant us the Bisaya education that we deserve in our 4-year stay. For the support and the patronage. Our sincere thank you is not enough to compensate for all the stretches we have went through together in creating such a memorable high school life. And so, I invite my dear batchmates to join me in a round of applause for our excellent Bisaya family. For without our parents, where do I even begin? For without their gorgeous sex cells, we would not have been created into such gorgeous beings. We would not have met, and we would not have shared our 2,102,400 minutes together. For without them, we would not have made it to school each day, and without them, who else would be there to motivate us? Who would push us to be better students? And who else would have inspired us to make it through the 2,102,400 minutes? Much gratitude goes to our parents, the people behind their success, who deserve much recognition for putting in so much effort into enabling us to attend and to excel in our academics. But most of all, my gratitude and my respect goes to my batchmates. How else could I have survived all 4 years in here without each of you? It is you guys that have kept me sane all throughout. And because of my batchmates, I have the strength to get up from my bed each day because I know that whatever hardships that may occur will pass and everything will be okay because I know that I am not alone and that we did it together. To the Natus Vincere, Bisaya Batch 2012, thank you for being a part of my high school education. We started it together and we ended here together. Thank you, Lord, for these people. Happy graduation, everyone.